Thang'wa has proposed the changes to the National Police Act and the Traffic Act to compel the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, that is the DCI, to brand their vehicles for purposes of accountability. The proposal comes at a time when the DCI is being accused of being behind the rising numbers of abductions using unmarked Subaru vehicles. Grace Nganga reports.
After former Limuru Member of Parliament Peter Mwathi was allegedly abducted and dumped by unknown people, and after a tussle with the DCI from county to county to record a statement on the unfortunate event that occurred during a burial in Limuru, the first-time senator will be seeking to amend the National Police Service Act 2011, the Traffic Act, and the Public Order Act by clearly branding DCI vehicles for accountability purposes.
We need to brand DCI Subarus. We need to brand their vehicles, just like anywhere else, even globally.
The senator says this move will tame impersonation of individuals who illegally kidnap Kenyans in pretense of being police officers because they cannot be traced.
And we need to differentiate a professional DCI officer and a thug, because how else would you know this Subaru, the men who are in there? How else would you know? Is it DCI? Is it Kimani Ishongwa? Is it Sudi? Once they are branded, we will increase public trust. We will bring about public recognition. We will even bring about accountability, transparency. We will even deter crime.
The senator's proposals come in the wake of increased case of alleged DCI officers in unmarked Subarus allegedly arresting Kenyans, with some cases being mistaken for abductions, reportedly hooded and masked to steal identity. Even with Thang'wa's proposal, the High Court had already made a ruling prohibiting police officers from concealing their identities while carrying out security duties. But with the rampant kidnappings and no identity, it's hard to know whether one is being abducted or arrested and by whom. Last month, appearing before the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority IPOA CEO Elema Halake highlighted challenges in investigating abduction cases being attributed to a growing trend where police officers conceal their identities, use unmarked vehicles, and distort their number plates during operations. Thang'wa's proposal is expected to cause a storm, as his other proposals, including his proposal of reducing the presidential term to 4 years, opposing the tabled bill for a 7-year term.
We have a lot of discontent, a lot of distrust. People do not trust us as we are now. Can you imagine having the same status for the next 7 years? After you vote for us for 4 years, then within 2 years, we have a mini referendum of aendelee asiendelee. Tunauliza hivyo kwa ba, mbona tusiuliza kwa serikali?
Thang'wa also last year proposed Kenyans given more days during public holidays to help workers prioritize their physical and mental